UK 2 New Pence 1971 coin. And in this video, we'll delve into the fascinating history and valuable information surrounding this iconic coin. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things numismatic. Now, let's start with a brief introduction to the UK 2 New Pence 1971 coin. This coin was introduced as part of the decimalization of the British currency system. Minted from bronze, it holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and history enthusiasts alike. To truly appreciate the value of this coin, we need to understand the historical context in which it was minted. 1971 was a pivotal year for the United Kingdom as it marked the transition from the old currency system to the decimal one. The 2 New Pence coin, with its distinctive design, became an integral part of this significant change. Now, let's take a closer look at the design and features of the UK 2 New Pence 1971 coin. On the obverse, you'll find a portrait of Queen Elizabeth, eye by renowned sculptor Arnold Meehan. The reverse features an intricate depiction of a plume of Prince of Wales paying homage to the heir apparent. As with any coin, rarity plays a crucial role in determining its value. The 2 New Pence 1971 coin is no exception. Due to its age and limited mintage, finding well-preserved specimens can be a challenge. The condition of the coin, along with any minting errors, contributes to its collectability and desirability among numismatics. Now let's talk numbers. The current market value of the UK 2 New Pence 1971 coin can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and collector demand. I recommend checking reputable coin catalogs, online auctions, or consulting with experts to get an accurate estimate of its value. Wrapping up our exploration of the UK 2 New Pence 1971 coin, it's clear that this little piece of history has much to offer. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, understanding the background and value of coins like these adds a whole new dimension to the hobby. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and comment down below if you have any interesting stories or information about the 2 New Pence 1971 coin. Until next time, happy collecting.